boys and girls, how are you? Today for math, we're going to talk about something called positional words. And that's when we tell where something is. Like if something's inside of something else, or on top of, or below, or next to. We're going to do that with a scarecrow. See my little scarecrow here? He's on the farm. And we're going to talk about different places where I can put the scarecrow, okay? And then you're going to go on Seesaw and do something very similar. All right, so first, here's my scarecrow. I can move him. And this says in front. So I have to put him in front of the barn. So look, here I go. I'm going to put the scarecrow in front of the barn. See where he is? He's in the front of it, right? Next, I'm going to come over here to the apple tree. Can you see it? And it says to put the scarecrow under the apple tree. I'm going to move him over here. We're going to go under the apple tree, right? He's under it now, because the apple tree is on top of him. He's under the apple tree. Did you ever sit under a tree? That's when you sit at the bottom of it, right? Maybe you sit there on a hot day so you can sit in the shade. Now this says behind. I'm gonna put the scarecrow behind the cow. See, he went behind it. We can't see all of them. He's behind it, right? When we line up in school, when we go to gym, sometimes I say, line up behind Allie, or line up behind Dawson. Everybody gets behind him, right? So the scarecrow is now behind the cow. Now I'm going to come over here, and it says to put the scarecrow between. That's when it's in the middle of two things. So I have to put the scarecrow between the pumpkins. He's in the middle of the two pumpkins, right? He's between it. Now I have to put the scarecrow on top of the hay, right? Here he is. He's on top of the hay now. He's standing at the top of it, right? He's on it, on top of, right? We sit on our chairs. That means we're on top of it, right? Next, it says to put him next to. Let's put the scarecrow next to the farmer. See, the scarecrow's next to the farmer. Maybe when you come to school, you sit next to somebody, or maybe you like to sit next to somebody on the couch at home to snuggle up and watch a movie. You sit next to them. You're right beside them, next to them. Now, I have a duck over here, and it says to put the scarecrow above the duck. Here he goes. He's above the duck, or over the duck, right? He's above it or over it. It's kind of, it's not the same as being on top of, but he's over it. He went over it. Watch, now I'm going to put the scarecrow in the leaves. There he is. He's in the leaves now. He's inside of it. When you get inside your bed, you're underneath the covers, right? You're inside of your bed. Let's see, did I get all of them? I think I did. Let's put him back behind the cow again. All right, boys and girls. It's all right. Now you can get on Seesaw, and you're going to get to practice doing positional words, okay? Have a great day, friends. Bye.